old.
How's it going?
What?
He just waved. You can go all the way down?
What's that?
Can you go all the way down?
Probably could. I just don't want to ruin my jeans. He's like my favorite man. I always get holes in the crotch too. Why? Personal problem. He's good though.
Oh shit. This shit scares me because I feel like it's just gonna go straight through.
Down there. That's where the parking for actually.
Damn, people are out here. Oh.
Oh man.
Should I gift it to that dude at the parking thing?
Yeah, of course.
You want this? This bus just broken down here. Hey! Kids love it. Oh, this dude's on a ruckus. Chillin'. Man took the hand off. Gangster. Excuse me! Sit! Wow. Damn, child. He's like, what the fuck? Whoa. That is so loud. Hey, we found neutral. No problem. Fucking vape nation over there. Holy shit. Can't even tell what he's listening to. Honestly, usually I just rip through that. Damn, nice car. Is that a Busa? guy dusted him. And he dusted me too. Holy fuck. I hope that's not police. Holy shit. Don't be turning. Smoke me. Nice car. Stare at it any longer. Holy shit. I'm gonna be sexually aroused by my bike. Oh, what is this guy ripping? I have no clue. What kind of wave was that? He was like, hello. I wonder if there's an accident here. Yeah, oh shit. God damn. Holy fuck. Well, that's unfortunate. Oh, there's another police officer there. Jeez. I wonder if he, like, gassed it out of the... trying to get out or something like that. I have no idea. That kid was, like, twisting the throttle on the little bike there. Dum dum. I would rev it for you, but the ops are right there, homie. Oh shit. Too much lean. Two-stroke. What's the sound a two-stroke makes? Well, this is gonna end this video. I'm not sure exactly what video this outro is going on, but yeah, this is gonna be it. I was supposed to go somewhere, but never got the call, so I'm just going home, go at it a little bit. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time, and just keep ripping it up out there. That's how we do. See you later.